Okay guys, I just bought the Coast 1000 Lumens flashlight. In store it's $39.97, was $49. Online price is $32.91. The store here is so great, they matched the online price at $32.91. That's going to be going into my Roaring Fire EDC wax canvas pouch. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, whatever time you're tuning in. I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today I will be reviewing a Coast rechargeable flashlight, a PX15R. I bought this at Walmart, but it's usually $49.99, and you can buy them for online price $32.92, I believe it was, or you might as well say $33. They matched the online price, so I got it at Walmart today. I decided to buy this to use on my camping trip this coming week. I just want to see how well it is. Now, on Walmart's website, it has about 63 reviews, and it does have 4.6 stars, so that's pretty good. But 1,000 lumens, that's pretty bright, and it's supposed to last up to 16 hours. It's got like 3 modes, it looks like. It's got like dim, then mediocre, then really bright. So, but I'm thinking that 16 hours, I'm guessing it's probably going to be lasting on that dim light, I would think. But it's got a IP54 of waterproof. That is, IP stands for ingress protection, guys. 54, that 5 is for dust. That scale is from 0 to 6. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good dust resistant, but it's not dust tight. But it is dust resistant, and it's very good at being dust resistant. Now 4, that's the water scale, and that scale is from 0 to 9, so it's fair on the waterproof side. So you wouldn't want to take it out in a heavy rain, and you wouldn't want to drop it in a puddle of water. I'm thinking it's good for light rain, like if you splashed or something like that, it'll be okay. But I would not take it out in the heavy rain, and I would not want to drop it in a pool of water. If you do, you better get it out real quick. But it is rechargeable. That's what I like. And it also says it has a lifetime warranty, Coast Care. So again, it's got 4.6 stars out of 5 on the Walmart app out of about 63 reviews. So let's open this thing up and see what it's all about. It's also got a twist focus where it's a wide beam and a bullseye beam. So that's pretty good. Yeah, see here. Low beam is 16 hours. Medium beam, it says 7 hours and 30 minutes. High beam, 4 hours and 15, which, that's pretty good. It's rechargeable, but I'm assuming this is for 4 AAA batteries, maybe? I don't know. Let's see if it's got any. Oh, yeah. It comes partly charged. There you go. So you turn it on. That's low, medium, and bright. It is bright, too. Pretty dang bright. Guess you can. There's your rechargeable battery right there. Guys, I just looked up to see how to charge this thing. I couldn't find a charging port on here, and this is the first battery that you actually have to charge up. Can you believe that? I've never seen anything like that. Wow. That's pretty cool. It feels like it's really well made. Yeah, see, it says 3 AAA. Yeah, that's it. My bad. 3 AAA batteries will replace this here, which is pretty cool. Not bad. It's very easy to take AAA batteries along on your camping trip because they're because they're really small and they're very light. That wouldn't be a problem with this flashlight. The warranty, guys. Coast lifetime warranty stands firm behind your product, providing you the assurance that Coast knives, tools, and headlamps are warranted against defects in workmanship and for the life of the product as long as the original person owns the product. Any problem at all, just let us know. We'll repair or replace your product. But they do not cover normal wear and tear. Just a regular lifetime warranty. But, you know, if it does break or anything, you know, if it falls apart, they'll cover it. I'm sure you have to pay for shipping. I'm just saying. But it is made out of aluminum. And I really like the way this thing feels. So you can stick it on your cap like that, you know. I do that sometimes with my other light. I had a Phoenix flashlight, and I cannot find the doggone thing. So I ended up going ahead and going to buy this one here. I've seen it on sale at Walmart, and I figured I'd try it out because it's got good reviews. We're fixing, when it gets dark, we're going to go out there and test this thing out, see how bright it is. We're going to go put my chickens up, and we'll test this thing out. Okay, guys, I got the battery charged up to my Jackery 300. I'm a big fan of Jackery power stations. I have a 300, 500, and a 1500. And look how you charge this thing. Got that little port right there. Plug it in right there, and it lights up right there. I've been charging it now for about 30 minutes. I'm fixing to go shut my chickens up for the night, and we're going to see how bright this flashlight is. All right, let's see how bright this thing is. Oh, yeah. That's dim, medium, bright. It's pretty bright now. Look at that. Pretty cool. Let's go put my chickens up. And my beehive. See here how I have it. Pretty cool. Call that the bullseye. Then you can make it wider. That right there. See how wide that is now? Not too bad. See, it don't go all the way to them trees now. Look at that. It's a pretty good flashlight, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Pretty good flashlight. Awesome. Okay. Overall, as of right now, I like it. I really do. It's light. It ain't that. It is made out of aluminum, so it ain't that heavy, but it feels solid, you know. It's rechargeable, I like, and you can also use 3 AAA batteries if you want to take the rechargeable out. And the only thing that I've never seen before on a flashlight is, again, that you charge the battery itself. In the past, I've owned rechargeable flashlights, and it's like a little rubber piece here that you undo and you put back, and the more you do that, you know yourself, they usually break off or they get wore out. They won't stay good. Dust gets down in there. So really, I like this design because this flashlight is rated 5 on the ingress protection as far as dust, and the dust scale is from 0 to 6. So it's really good at dust prevention. Not really dust proof, but dust prevention. And that's going to protect that little charging port on the battery. You remember that EDC pouch that Rowan Fire sent me the other day to review? It's called the Smoldering Pouch. Well, here it is. I got it packed full of gear, and I'm testing it to the extreme. And I'm telling you, this has a lot of gear in it. You're going to be surprised. You're going to be surprised, but I'm putting this in here also. Okay, guys, I got the flashlight in here. I'm not showing you what's all in here. I'm going to do it real fast. See that? It's full of gear, I'm telling you. And these zippers work really good still. I wonder how I'm going to get it closed, right? Well, this thing is really nice. It really is. And when I test stuff, guys, I test stuff Marine Corps style. See there? Once you get them together, you just see there? How about that? It's packed full, and it's got some good stuff in here. And I'll be going over this pouch and what's all in here on my camping trip, okay? But it's packed full of good stuff. Well, guys, if you're looking for a good flashlight at a decent price, the Coast PX15R 1000 lumens is it. Aluminum body. You got a rechargeable battery that you actually charge the battery, and it's enclosed. The dust can't get into the charging port, and it's bright. It's got 3 modes. It just feels good in your hand. It's very comfortable. It fit in my little EDC pouch with a bunch of other gear. So it's a good size flashlight. It ain't one of them real small ones that is hard to hold and hard to mash the buttons. And it fit on my hat. I like that. It's a good flashlight, and I recommend it. So if you're looking for one, that's the one I'd buy. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And I just want to appreciate y'all tuning in today. And I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, that'll be like a good night. Stay sharp.